This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing the exact moment that will sell the short. Open Roblox in play mode or Roblox Studio, then record at 9:16 vertical. This ensures the video fits YouTube Shorts. Aim for 60 FPS and 1080p so motion looks smooth on phones. Keep clips between 5 and 30 seconds and pick one clear, interesting action or gag. Once recorded, save the raw file with a descriptive name so you can quickly find it during editing. Once you have the clip, load it into a simple editor like CapCut, VN, or Premiere Rush and trim aggressively. You want the first 3 seconds to hook viewers, so add a punchy visual or caption immediately. Use jump cuts and tight pacing to emphasize the action. Place captions for clarity and accessibility. Add royalty-free music and map edits to the beat, then export vertical 9:16 at 1080x1920. Make sure the file is under YouTube's size limits before uploading. Now upload the vertical file to YouTube and include hash shorts in the title or description so it's discovered as a short. Write a concise, intriguing title and add 3-5 relevant tags. Include a one-line description with context or a call to action. Monitor the first hour for playback quality and thumbnail appearance. If the video is letterboxed, looks compressed, or audio is out of sync, re-export with the correct 9:16 resolution and higher bitrate, then re-upload to fix those issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.